up a sneaker right now. Won a raffle, got the email last night, so excited to head on in there. Busy day. Running around, trying to do these errands at the same time. Just finished my meeting and picked up a shoe. And I've got to run some errands. And then I got to film, another business meeting. You know, another day in the life of ShadeTV. Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Today we're going to be taking a look at the women's exclusive Seafoam Air Jordan 1 highs. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to smash that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video at the end. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out our Jordan button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So if you're interested in adding some shade gear to your clothing collection, be sure to head on over to that website after this video is done. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing the women's exclusive Seafoams today. So we're going to be doing the overview on these, followed by size and fit. Then we're going to jump into styling these. This is a nice, refreshing colorway for the end of summer. So excited for you to see how I style these. And then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into this overview. For those of you who don't know, there was a restock on these this past week. So I was able to snag a pair since I didn't get these when they originally released. So very excited to have these in hand. Actually saw these being worn by a lot of people at SneakerCon, and it was one of those shoes that really just kind of popped at the event. So definitely jumped on it when I saw that these were going to be re-releasing and was able to snag a pair. So let's start off with the front of the toe box. We've got some nice simplistic stark white on that toe box region, and on the front is that seafoam green. It's a really cool green. It's kind of got this minty pistachio coloring scheme, which I think is quite nice for the spring and summertime, but you can also work this into your fall wardrobe as well. So as we work our way up, we've got one of my favorite parts, which is the laces. So this is kind of like a burnt orange, but also kind of gives me this coral effect when I see it. But I love that they've ribbed the outside of the white in that kind of pop of color, which I think just really accents that minty seafoam colorway quite nicely. We've got a simplistic white nylon tongue here, which also makes the laces really pop, and then a nice hint of that seafoam green on the top for the branding on the Nike Air. Then we've got some additional laces. So if you're not feeling these, which I think by far these are my favorite laces that came with this pair, but you also have that seafoam green, or you can add an additional just simplistic white lace to this. Let's take a look at those details before we move on to the side panels. on to the side panels, we've got nice, just simplistic white leather underlays, and the overlays again are in that seafoam green. The swoosh mark is also in that nice green color scheme that wraps around to the back of the heel. And on the other side, we've got the Air Jordan Wings logo in that white that really just pops off the seafoam green is on top of that. On the insole, we've got the insole in a seafoam green with white detailing for the branding, and then the shoes completed with a white midsole and a seafoam green outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so moving on to size and fit on these. So this was a women's exclusive, and I am a size 9 in women's, which is equivalent to a men's size 7.5. I do have high arch narrow feet, and I do like to have a little extra room on my toe box region. So I would say stick true to size on this one. Specifically, if you have the similar foot shape and size to me. If you do have flat, wider feet, this could also decipher a different size that works best for you. But on this one, I would say stick true to size. All right, now let's jump into styling. I had so much fun styling this. I am in love with this colorway, and it's definitely a nice kind of treat for a different option that I have in my shoe collection for the summer. So for the first look, I decided to really just match this kind of minty pistachio green all over the shoe with a dress that I think really kind of matched it to a T. And then I tied just a nice simple gray hooded sweater around that to complete the look. So for the second look, I decided to wear some nice light wide leg denim, and I paired that with a pistachio colored ribbed collared cropped long sleeve shirt. And I think again that shirt just really popped with the accents of this shoe. The last and final look, again, I wanted to just kind of complete that last look with some more color schemes that match the shoe. And this was a floral print silk top that I tucked into just some nice, simple, light denim shorts. And I think that floral print just really worked its way so nicely with the look and feel of this shoe. To breathe, soon to see. You just wanna make it fall. 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 The first time we looked us, it was fun. So you let me know down below what's your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these shoes?
So give me your hand.
Now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So these shoes retailed as $170 and currently they are going between $230 to $250. Not a bad price point, you know, for resellers out there. I think just because, again, limited in sizing with this being a women's exclusive. So definitely the larger sizes are doing a bit better on the resale market. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks again so much for everybody who's tuned in today. If you're new and you haven't hit that subscribe yet, be sure to do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.